Hi children, in this session we are going to discuss about trigonometric ratios of some specific angles through table. This is not a proof method, Nana. This is just a simply for the purpose of remembering. Okay, let us begin. First I am taking as here 0 degree and 30 degree, 45 degrees, 60 and 90. Okay, for some specific angles, only 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 we are going to learn. By the help of these angles we have to find remaining angles also. Okay, here angles nana theta, that is first sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. Okay, you have to remember by this order. Okay, first why I am writing these numbers, simply I am writing nana. Here is simply I am writing as taking as 0 and this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Simply I written none. There is no any proof for this. And for all I am writing as by 4, by 4, by 4, by 4, by 4. Clear, Amma? For all I am keeping as root symbol, under root. Okay. You have to remember first 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, by 4, by 4, by 4. And for all under root, under root, under root. Clear, sir? Now see this 0 by 4 means 0 by 4 is 0. So that the value of this sine 0 degrees is 0. You have to remember this. Next, the square root of 1 is 1 only. The square root of 4 is 2. So this is 1 by 2. And this root 2 by root 4, better you do one thing here. Root 2 by this root 4 we have to write root 2 into root 2. So root 2 cancel. What we get nana, this is 1 by root 2. And this is a root 3 square root, there is no square root, that's why root 3 as it is. 4 square root is 2. This 4 cancel, we get 1. Is it clear? These are the sine theta's values. Sine 0 degree is 0. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Sin 90 is 1. Just to remember sin value 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Cos theta values just you have to write reverse order. That 1 you write here 1. This root 3 by 2 here. This 1 by root 2 as it is. This 1 by 2 here. And 0 is here. Just you interchanging these numbers, reversing order, that's all. Is it clear, Nana? Tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta means, tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. So that this is 0, sin theta by cos theta, 0 by 1, we get 0. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2, this 2 cancel nana, we get 1 by root 3. And both are same, cancel 1. And denominator 2 cancel, we get root 3. And here something by 0, 1 by 0, that is undefined. This is undefined. Is it clear, Nana? Right. Cot theta, just reciprocal of tan theta. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. So, tan theta is 0 means 0 by 1. Its reciprocal is 1 by 0 means undefined. And cot 30 degrees is 1 by root 3. Just reciprocal. It is root 3 by 1. By 1. Okay, 1 by 1 reciprocal is 1 only. Root 3 by 1 reciprocal is 1 by root 3. Undefined means just before 1 by 0, it is reciprocal is 0 by 1, that is 0. Sorry. Yes, 0. 0 by 1 is 0. Is it clear now? Next. Sec theta is the reciprocal of cosec theta. Tan theta is the reciprocal of cot theta. Sec theta is the reciprocal of cosec theta. Sorry, cos theta. Sec is equal to 1 by cos. So sec theta is equal to just you reciprocal of cos theta means 1 reciprocal is 1 by 1, that is 1 only. Root 3 by 2 means it is 2 by root 3. 1 by root 2 becomes root 2 by 1. 1 by 2 becomes 2. 0 by 1, it is 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means undefined. Is it clear now? Cosec is the reciprocal of sin theta. Sin theta is 0. The reciprocal is 1 by 0. That is undefined. Okay. It is 1 by 2 reciprocal is 2 by 1. 1 by root 2 reciprocal is root 2 by 1. Root 3 by 2 reciprocal is 2 by root 3. So 1 reciprocal is 1 only. You have to remember these values through this table. It is not a proof, Nana. Again, next video onwards, I am going to explain about proofs of these values. Is it clear? You have to practice this method, this table of 5 or 3 times. Then easily we can remember. Is it clear? Once you imagine how I did. First 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 by 4 by 4 by 4 by 4. And I kept for all roots. Nana. 0 by 4 means 0 only. 1 by 4 means it's 1 by 2. Root 2 by root 4 means root 2 cancel. One more root 2 is there, that is 1 by root 2. Root 3 square root is root 3 only. 4 square root is 2. 4 by 4 cancel 1. We got the sin theta values. Sin 0 0, sin 30 1 by 2, sin 45 1 by root 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2, sin 91. Just I write reversing order. 1 here, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Then I got cos values. Tan means we know already sin theta by cos theta. So 0 by 1 0. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2 means 2 cancel. We get 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2 1 by root 2 cancel 1. Here 2 cancel root 3. And 1 by 0 it is undefined. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. Means this is 0 means 0 reciprocal is undefined. 1 by root 3 reciprocal is root 3. 1 reciprocal is 1. Root 3 by 1 reciprocal is 1 by root 3. Undefined reciprocal is 0. Right? Sec is reciprocal to the cos. Cos is 1 means its reciprocal is 1. Root 3 by 2 reciprocal is 2 by root 3. 1 by root 2 reciprocal is root 2. 1 by 2 reciprocal is 2. And 0 reciprocal is undefined. In the same way, cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. Okay, it is 0. Its reciprocal is undefined. 1 by 2 reciprocal is 2. 1 by root 2 reciprocal is root 2. Root 3 by 2 reciprocal is 2 by root 3. 1 reciprocal is 1. Is it clear, sir? Right.